you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the pain and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair.
Lahat ng bagay may dahilan. Baka pinatatagalan talaga tayo dito sa lugar upang maging ligtas kami sa pwedeng mangyaring masama sa unahan. Let's say, this is not God direction. This is God protection. Pag may umalis, may mas magandang darating. Pag may nawala, may mas magandang babalik. Kaya nga palagi naming sinasabi, it's all good in the hood.
Seems to crumble around you.
For good times and bad times.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you
Nagkamali kami, oo, pero para sa akin kasi, magiging mali lang ang mali kapag inulit mo ang iyong pagkakamali.
put your trust in
Pero pag nagkamali ka, natuto ka, para sa akin hindi yun pagkakamali. Magiging mali lang ang mali kapag wala kang natutunan sa iyong pagkakamali.
what is best for